Hello friends, dear food business owner, are you battling with rising costs in your food business or your restaurant? Are you struggling to price your products accurately? Do you have issues increasing your prices? Do you lack confidence to charge your customers the right way? Do you find it difficult increasing your food prices with the current rising costs of food items in the market? Most food business owners find it difficult to price their food products accurately. Most times they underprice and they are not able to make enough profit, or they even overprice, thereby driving their customers away. Imagine if you can now price your products accurately, if you can now be able to calculate the cost of your ingredients the right way. Imagine if you can add the right markup and make maximum profit for your food business. We are introducing to you today the Ultimate Food Costing and Pricing online course. It's an online course that will help you calculate the cost of ingredients, teach you how to set the accurate prices for your food products, and ultimately help you to maximize profits in your food business. Not just that, you have 8 bonuses. The current fees is 10,000 naira, but the first 30 students to register will get this at a discount price of 5,000 naira, 50% discount. That is for this first batch of the training. The training will hold 4 times this year. Are you ready to take your food business to the next level? Are you ready to learn how to cost your ingredients properly, price your products accurately, and maximize profit for your business? And you'll be learning from experience gathered over the years from food industry experts. You'll discover how to accurately price each of your products so that you never get to sell at a loss. I have an entire module dedicated to mindset switch, where we'll be teaching you how to discover the negative belief systems that are actually hindering your food business and how to change this belief system. We understand that pricing has to do with mindset. You have to believe in yourself, and that one of the reasons why food business owners underprice their products is because of lack of confidence. And we'll be dealing with this issue in the mindset switch model. We'll explore some of the mindset shifts needed to excel in the food industry. You will also learn how to approach food costing and pricing with confidence and clarity. You will master how to calculate the accurate individual cost for your food ingredients. You will also learn about food cost percentage and how to apply it to your food products. You will be learning food pricing, the different pricing strategies, and the best strategies to apply to your food products. You will learn how to also price your products accurately. We'll also have several practical sections where you'll be learning how to calculate the individual cost of your products, and then you'll be learning how to price accurately. We'll be doing the food costing for fruit juices. We'll do food costing for rice products. We'll also do food costing for products like peanut, people in the peanut or the snack niche. We'll be doing food costing for cakes and banana bread. You will learn a whole lot in this class, and you'll be able to calculate your food cost accurately. You would also, those that have watched some of my videos on food costing have sent in a lot of testimonials. Different testimonials of how these videos have helped them. Imagine if you are part of this training. And this training currently going to run 4 times this year. So depending on when you watch this video, there will always be a batch for this training. The first batch is going to hold on the 15th of March, 15th and 16th of March. And the deadline for registration is on the 10th of March. All the details you need is in the description box. Check the link in the description box to see all the details about this online course. And the first 30 students to register will be getting this course at a 50% discount price of just 5,000 naira, because the current price of the course is 10,000 naira. And of course, you know, when we launch it next time, the price will definitely increase. So jump in and learn a whole lot. And the juicy part is that we have 8 beautiful, amazing bonuses. The first bonus is that you'll be having access to a community of like-minded individuals where you could ask questions, where you can interact. We can interact with each other. The next bonus is that we'll have Q&A live sessions. live group coaching sessions where you can ask your questions and you receive answers from me. Also receive expert advice. The third bonus is that you have a free video on how to market your food products. There's a free video on how you can get your business on Google Map to enable your business to appear on Google searches. The sixth bonus is that you have a free monthly income planner where I'll be breaking down how you can plan your income for the month and achieve your goal for your goals for your food business. Free 20 content ideas for your food business. The eighth bonus is that you have a free video on how to start a food business. This training is loaded and you would always have me there to ask me questions. Then after this training, you have access to the replay for these videos. All the details you need to know is in the description box. It will also be in the comment section. Just click on the link and it will give you the full details of the training. We'll be learning how to calculate your food cost and the cost of your ingredients manually and also set prices. We'll also be learning how to do that with your laptop on Excel, which is a lot more easier because it calculates your ingredients perfectly. But if you don't have a laptop, we'll also be learning the manual version so that you can always be able to calculate your food cost and the cost of your ingredients and also set optimal or the right prices for your products. Success in your food business isn't just about passion. It's about mastering the business side of it. Remember that the cost of things are currently on the increase and you cannot afford to underprice your products. Because you know from the profit, you'll be able to sustain your business. There are a whole lot of things. You'll be able to pay your staff. You'll be able to handle operational costs. You'll be able to take care of the labor costs and every other cost. And then you'll be able to have profit that you can invest in your business when you want to expand or buy equipment. There are a whole lot of things you need to do and to learn. Congratulations. Remember that the link to register is in the description. If you want to learn more about the course, everything you need to know about the course is also going to be in the description. Just click on the link and you read all the information about the course and you'll be able to register. I hope you enjoyed these videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe to Virtuoso's channel and see you in class.